What is JCL or define JCL? JCL is a language which coordinates with batch activities of operating system, or JCL is a scripting language of MVS operating system to instruct the system on how to run a batch job or start a subsystem. What is job? Job is a unit of work given to OS. What are the specifications of a job? User identity, data file identity, resource requirement, error handling. How many steps you have for a job? 255. What is the purpose of the job statement? Job statement is used to mark the beginning of a job and to tell the system how to process the job. Also, when the jobs are stacked in the input stream, the job statement marks the end of the preceding job. How does one identify a job to the operating system? Job statement gives the job identity to the operating system in the spool and the scheduler. It is the first control statement in a JCL. The available parameters in the job statement help the OS in allocating the right scheduler. What is job statement? Job statement is the first control statement in a job. It marks the beginning of a job and also specifies the name of the job. Job statement also might provide details and parameters that apply to all job steps within the job, such as accounting information and conditions for job termination. Name the rules for writing job name. Job name gives an ID to the job while submitting it to the OS. It can be length of 1 to 8 with alphanumeric characters and starts just after 2 forward slashes. What are hierarchy levels in JCL? The label is the step that describes the JCL statements according to their actions. Every statement of JCL consists of the following keywords: name, fields, operations, operands, parameters, consist of positional and keyword, commands if any. What are parameters? Parameters are set of conditions for the operations. In other words, parameters are the one which use attributes for operations. What are the types of the parameters? There are two types of parameters. 1. Positional parameters. 2. Keyword parameters. Name the positional and keyword parameters of the job statement. Positional parameters are job accounting information and programmer name. Keyword parameters are message class, message level, notify, address space, time, region, priority, restart, type run, and cond. What does the accounting information consist of? What is it used for? It can have a maximum of 142 characters, including parentheses and commas, but not apostrophes. It is used to tie the resources used by the job to the appropriate account. What does the programmer name consist of? What is it used for? It consists of programmer name or client name and department. Programmer name identifies the person or group responsible for a job. What is the maximum number of characters used for programmer's name? 20 characters in length is used. How JCL work to handle various input-output file operation. JCL define two set of parameters to handle various I/O operations. One, positional parameter. It is related directly to the position. It gives the file positions in the operations. 2. Keyword parameter. It is used to assign variable information. Which special character cannot be used for programmer's name? Hyphen is the only special character not allowed inside the programmer's name. What are the difference between JCL and JACE? JCL is job control language. Through JCL, we can decide what job has to be run or what programs need to be run. JACE is job entry system. This will take care of the execution of the job. When job is submitted, it will allocate space for execution. Where and how you code an identifier. Code identifier field at the beginning in column 1 and the name field immediately after the identifier with no intervening blanks. How do you comment a line in JCL? If we want to comment a line, simply code 2/* in the first 3 columns in a JCL. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, revise lesson and press bell icon for further video updates.